Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Hidden sugar in cough drops can cause cavities by feeding mouth bacteria that produce enamel-eroding acids. While cough drops relieve sore throats, frequent use, especially sugary ones, raises tooth decay risk. To protect your teeth, opt for sugar-free cough drops and keep up with regular brushing and flossing.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.